Welcome to SSG Embedded Solutions. Let's begin our ESP32 tutorial. Hello everyone. Today, we are interfacing a rotary encoder with the ESP32 to detect rotation direction, position, and button press. Let's begin. We need ESP32 kit, USB cable, and some jumper wires. First, connect your ESP32 to the laptop using a USB cable. Now open the Arduino IDE. Next, make the connections according to the pin diagram provided in your ESP32 kit. This code interfaces a rotary encoder with the microcontroller. The CLK, DT, and SW pins are connected to pins 4, 2, and 15. In setup, the encoder pins are configured and serial communication is started. In the loop, the CLK and DT signals are read to detect the rotation direction. Clockwise rotation increases the counter, while counterclockwise rotation decreases it. The counter value and direction are displayed on the serial monitor. The encoder's push button is also monitored, and a message is shown when it is pressed. To upload your code, start by clicking on the Tools menu. Under Board, select the correct ESP32 model. Then, go to Port and choose the COM port where your ESP32 is connected. After selecting both the board and the port correctly, you're ready to upload the program. As we rotate the encoder, the direction and counter value update on the serial monitor, and pressing the button displays a confirmation message. Watching this ESP32 tutorial. I hope you understood the steps clearly. If you found this helpful, do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next session.